Hi guys, I am Mwalimu Madansi and I'll be taking you through Form 4 chemistry. Now, because of this coronavirus pandemic, I thought it was necessary to start an online class for our students, for our high school student at home. But even for you, even though you may have completed your high school level, you can still come and grasp some chemistry concept. You don't know that if you happen to die of coronavirus, you may meet that angel at the heavenly door, requiring you to write a chemical equation as a ticket to enter heaven. So if you followed my tutorial, you have the ticket. If you did it, you go there, burn in hell, and start shouting like a mad person. So let us start. Now, I'll be starting the first topic, the first Form 4 topic. Later on I'll roll out the Form 1 and Form 2 and Form 3 tutorials. But still, the Form 1, 2, and 3 can follow these tutorials because I'll be revisiting some concept which were covered in the lower classes. Uh, I have some experience in teaching chemistry, so don't worry, you're in right hands. Right now, I'm coaching some international students from an international school in Madhya sub county. So let us start. Let's go to the point now. The topic one Form 4 is called acid, bases, and salts. In Form 1, the teacher introduced to you what is meant by the term acid, base, and a salt. In Form 2, you discussed salts in details. Now, in Form 4, right now you are in an advanced level and shall be discussing them in finer details. So, guys, you don't know if by learning this chemistry you can come up with coronavirus cure. So, be attentive. So, let me start. Let me go direct. At the end of this topic, you'll be able to understand what is meant by an acid in finer details, a base, and a salt. Are you together? So, let's start with the acids. Let us discuss what are these acids, right? And in chemistry, we focus most on reaction. We'll be looking at how do acids react with some elements. To react, for those who may not be understanding this terminology, chemistry term, to react means to combine. So when you are asking yourself, how do acid react with this? We are simply trying to mean how do acids combine with this? Are you together? So to react simply means to combine. So by the end of this subtopic, fellow guys, don't sleep. We will be able to know what an acid is in finer details and how acid reacts with some elements. So let's start. Now, as you can see, I have written something here. I'm asking myself a question. How do dilute acids react with metals? First of all, what are dilute acids and what are metals? Now, assume you have got an acid which have nothing added into it, and you have an acid. Let's assume we have acid A and acid B. Acid B has got some water added into it. Any acid that have got some water or water added into it is said to be diluted. You have diluted it with water. So you refer to it as a dilute acid. So a dilute acid is an acid which have got water added into it. Now we shall be checking how do these acids which have got water added into them, or how do these dilute acids react? Remember what I told you, to react is to combine. So how do these dilute acids react or combine with metals? But since now you are in a higher level chemistry, Form 4, you are a very big student, a grown up, you don't need to use the term combine. Be a chemist. How do dilute acids react with metals? So, and then, what are metals? How are you able to identify if a certain substance is a metal or not a metal? So first, to understand what a metal is, we must first of all revisit some of the Form 1 and but mostly Form 2 concept. But before you revisit that, let me introduce some examples. In the high school level, we have some common acid you have interacted with in the laboratory. The first one, we have like the sulfuric 6 acid. I just named some few of them. This H2SO4 is the chemical formula for the acid. I shall be revisiting some Form 1 work to explain what is a chemical formula. Now we have hydrochloric acids. Hydrochloric acid, the chemical formula for hydrochloric acid is HCl. And then we have nitric 5 acid. The chemical formula for nitric 5 acid is HNO3. We have other acid which we shall be interacting with later. But first of all, let me revisit some of the Form 1 Form 2's work so that we can understand what is meant by a metal. What are these chemical formulas we are talking about? So guys, let's meet on the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.